Welcome to Jags Tech World. Today I want to talk to you about improving your audio in Streamlabs or OBS Studio. We are going to be using Reaper plugins, their VST FX suite. This is their website. To give you an idea of what this will do for you, right now I have the plugins running. Let me turn them off and show you what noise is actually in my background. Right now you hear all the noise. I got an AC unit, my computer, and me hitting the desk. You should hear that, clicking my mouse and whatnot. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to reaper.fm/replugs, and you'll want to download, depending on your computer, 32-bit or 64-bit. Once that's downloaded, you want to run it. And everything here default should be just fine. And just note where it's installing it. By default it goes into Program Files, VST Plugins, and then Replugs. I already have this installed, so I want to cancel it. Next, let me close this out. There we go, that's better. Next, we'll do Streamlabs OBS first. It's basically the same. You want to click on the little icon next to your microphone here, the gear. Go to Filters. And I have them all installed here already, but you're going to want to click the plus sign. Add Source Filter. You'll go down to VST Plugins. You can give it a name if you want to. Click Done. Then what you'll want to do is, it should automatically know where they are, and it'll give you a list here of all the plugins you have. Then you'll want to select which ones you want. For me, number 1, I put in a noise gate. So that's the Regate standalone. Then next I have a Refer. Then I have a few other things here that I'll talk about maybe in another video. Then for the next thing I put in a compressor. And just to show you these, the noise gate is right here. I set it just above the noise in the room. That kills out about everything. Then next, this is a neat little plugin. This, if you set it up, it can be a equalizer. It's the noise gate that's right there. Compressor or subtract is what I use it for. And right here, the little gray lines, you can see that is the noise if I stop talking. And the red line is what it is blocking. That's getting through the noise gate. If you put this on subtract, put a check mark here. Right now it is speaking. So if you put that check mark, you got your fans running, you got your AC running. What I like to do is I'll tap on the table. I'll play with my keyboard and mouse, making all the clicking sounds, and it will typically block all of that out for you. It'll filter it. Now, it built a profile, basically, of me hitting my keyboard, my fans, and everything. So you uncheck it, and all that noise should be filtered. And next, we have the compressor. And I typically have this down here about 10 to 11, and I put it of a ratio of 3 and leave everything else alone. And that's all you need to do is select all those, put them in order. You don't necessarily need the gate and the filter, but it's up to you of what you want. One thing to note with Streamlabs, which I've read on some of the forums they will be fixing, these do not save your settings between sessions. So you will need to come in here and check and make sure everything is still set up every time you open up Streamlabs. It said on the forums that they will be fixing that in the next update, but we'll see. Now, in OBS, this is pretty much the same. What we want to do is we want to click on the little gear down here, go to Filters, click on the plus sign, go down to VST Plugin, and just put in whatever you want to install. Say like the noise gate. I'll just go noise gate, go to the drop down menu, find the one that is a noise gate, which, that one. Then say, if you want to do the same thing that I had in Streamlabs, next I had the filter. Then I had the compressor. Comp. Then you just go through and make the settings that you want. One here, put this to subtract, check it, then uncheck it once you're done with it. Compressor, make changes to what you want, and then click close, and that'll adjust your audio in OBS. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.